Welcome, dear learners. Now we will learn Chapter 3 4 Rules, page number 12 and 13. 4 operations of mathematics. There are 4 operations in the mathematics. These are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay, if we observe or if we want to increase a number, we must add or multiply if we want to increase. But if we reduce a number, we must subtract or we must divide. So, there are 4 operations of mathematics: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, mathematical symbols are 4 in numbers. These are the symbol of addition. It is the symbol of addition, symbol of subtraction, symbol of multiplication, and the symbol of division. Now we will observe the rules of simplification, how to simplify. What's this? Badmash. Yes, Badmash is the rule of simplification. In Badmash, B is for brackets. That means it may be first bracket, second bracket, or third bracket. These are main 3 brackets. Okay, B is for brackets. O is for off. Off means multiplication in mathematics. D is for division. D is for division. M is for multiplication. A is for addition and S is for subtraction. Here this symbol is for division and this symbol is for multiplication, and the rest 2 is addition and subtraction. That means at first we will solve the operation of brackets, and among bracket at first we will solve first bracket, then second bracket, and then third bracket, then division, then multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. We will solve all these respectively, serial by serial. This one is a simplification, and in the simplification there is a first bracket. There is a first bracket here and here same first bracket. So we will subtract here at first. If we subtract 40 from 56, we will get 16, and 6 minus will be written here same, and here division will be written here same, and now we will multiply here. If we multiply, we can get 8. 2 fourths are 8, and plus 5 will be written here same. In this line there are 3 operations: subtraction, division, and addition, but we will divide here first as per the rule of Badmash. Okay, if we divide here, or if we divide 16 by 8, we can get 2. We can get 2, and plus 5 will be written here same. And then we have to subtract here. If we subtract 2 from 6, we can get 4, then plus 5. If we add 4 and 5, we can get 9. Okay, and this 9 is the answer of this simplification. This one is a long simplification, very long simplification, but it is very easy. Okay, in this simplification we get here first bracket, so we will subtract here at first line. So from 7 to here this second bracket we will write down here same. Okay, here we can divide 45 by 9. If we divide, we can get 5, and all these will be written here same. In this first bracket we can subtract 7 from 12. If we subtract, our answer will be 5, or difference will be 5, and all these will be written here same. In this line we must solve second bracket here. That means we will get 8 here 8, and here 10. 5 multiplied by 2, 10, and minus 5, minus 1, all these will be written here same. And in this line we have to solve second bracket, and if we subtract here we will get 5. Okay, and all these will be written here same. In the line, or in this line, in the third bracket there are two operations, multiplication and multiplication and subtraction, but we will multiply here at first. If we multiply, we can get 40. 5 eights are 40, and minus 1 divided by 13 will be written here same. Now we will subtract here. If we subtract 1 from 40, we get 39, and divide by 13 will be written here same. And in this line there are two operations, addition and division, but we must divide here at first. If we divide 39 by 13, we can get 3. 3 13s are 39. 3 is the quotient. Okay, now we add 7 and 3. We can get 10 as the answer. Now observe two simplification. These two simplifications are same, but at the first simplification we have just used a bracket only, and second one is bracketless. There is no bracket here. Okay, in the first simplification we must solve the first bracket's operation. That means we will multiply here at first. If we multiply, we can get 6. 3 2s are 6, and if we divide, we can get 2 as the answer. And in the second simplification there are two operations, division and multiplication. If we divide here 12 by 2, we can get 6, and multiplied by 3 will be written here same. And if we multiply 6 by 3, 6 3s are 18, and our answer is 18 in the second simplification, and answer is 2 in the first simplification. But there is a difference between the answer of the two simplifications. So we must be careful using brackets, because bracket can change the answer of the simplification. This one is another example of changing answer from a same simplification. In the first simplification we have used bracket, and in the second simplification, same simplification, 24 24, 3 multiplied by 4, 3 multiplied by 4, divide by 2, both are same. But the first simplification is used bracket and second one is bracketless. Let's solve the first simplification. In the first bracket, we must multiply here. If we multiply 3 by 4, we can get 12. Okay, and all these will be written here same. And in this line, we must subtract 12 from 24. If we subtract, we can get 12 as difference and divide by 2 will be written here same. If we divide, our answer will be 6. Let's solve the second one. In the second simplification, there are 3 operations: minus, that means subtraction, multiplication and division. But we will multiply here at first 12 and divide by 2 will be written here same. We should it should be remembered that between division and multiplication we can get any one at first. Okay. If we divide here, our quotient will be 6, and if we subtract, our difference will be 18, and in both cases answer is difference. Answer is different because we have used brackets in the first simplification and we have not used any bracket in the second simplification. Bracket can change the answer. Let's solve this simplification. At first, the first bracket, if we subtract, answer will be, or difference will be 6, and all these will be written here same. In both cases of division and addition, we must divide here first. If we divide, our quotient will be 2 and plus 8 will be written here same. If we add, our answer will be 10. In this simplification, we must subtract here. If we subtract 10 from 36, our answer will be 26, and divide by 13 will be written here. In both minus and division, we must divide here at first. So here we will write down 5 minus, and now we will divide. If we divide 26 by 13, our quotient will be 2. 13 2s are 26. Okay. Now if we subtract, our division, our difference will be 3, and this 3 is the answer of this simplification. Let's solve the next simplification. In the first bracket, we have got 3 operations: multiplication, addition and again multiplication. So we will multiply both multiplication here. We will write down 300 minus first bracket open, and if we multiply 18 by 5, we can get 90, and here addition symbol, and if we multiply 45 by 3, it will be 135, and bracket will be closed. And in the first bracket we will add. If we add, we can get 225, and if we subtract here, we can get 75 as the answer of this simplification. Let's solve the next simplification. Here we will add here at first. If we add, we can get 36. If we add 24 and 12, we can get 36 in total, and all these will be written here same. And in the second bracket there are two operations, addition and division, but we should divide first. If we divide 36 by 18, answer will be 2, because 2 18s are 36, and plus 4 will be written here same, and second bracket closed. Okay, and we will add here 2 and 4, that means 6. If we subtract, our difference will be 2, and this 2 is the answer of this simplification. Let's go to the next one. Here at first we will subtract. Our answer will be, our difference will be 18 here, and all these will be written here same. Now we will multiply here. If we multiply, we can get 108, and all these will be written here same. Now by subtracting 84 from 108, we can get 24, and divide by 12 will be written here. Now just divide 24 by 12. Quotient will be 2, because 12 2s are 24. So this 2 is the answer of this simplification. The next simplification, in the first bracket there are two operations, minus and division, but we should divide at first. If we divide, we can get here 5 9s are 45, and minus 3 or all these will be written here same. And in this stage we will subtract here. If we subtract, we can get 2, and all these will be written here. And now in the second bracket, observe that there are two operations, subtraction and multiplication, but we should multiply at first. If we multiply 2 and 2, we can get 4, and minus 5 will be written here. And now just subtract. 5 is the difference, and minus 5 is here. If we subtract 5 from 5, answer is 0. This one is a long simplification, but it's not tough or difficult. It's very easy. Just solve the first bracket, division. If we divide here, if we divide 12 by 4, we can get 3. We can get 3, and all these will be written here, and here we will multiply 6 and 6. 6 6 are 36, and minus 6 or all these will be written here same. Now just subtract here. If we subtract here, we can get 2, and write down same. Just subtract here, subtract 6 from 36, we can get 30, and write down all these same. In the second bracket there are two operations, multiplication and subtraction, but we should multiply at first. If we multiply 10 by 2, we can get 20, and minus 2, second bracket closed, all these will be written here same. And next 30 divided by 2. If we divide 30 by 2, 15 will be quotient, and all these will be written here same. In the next phase, next step, we just subtract here. If we subtract, our difference will be 18, and just write down all these here. Same. And here just subtract. If we subtract 15 from 18, we can get 3. Divide by 3. If we divide 3 by 3, our answer will be 1. If we divide 3 by 3, our answer will be 1, not 0. Our answer will be 1.